Welcome to 75 Sander Drive in Fenwick, Ontario. Captivating and contemporary, this spacious raised ranch boasts nearly 2,800 square feet of luxuriously finished space, with 5 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms. Located in the heart of the historical hamlet of Fenwick, right across from a fabulous park. Let's step inside, shall we? Entering the spacious foyer with high ceilings and a beautiful glass door. Come upstairs to the upper main level, which leads to the bright and spacious formal living room, with a lovely bay window to bring in the light. This room is also open to the dining room and the kitchen. The sliding doors off the dining room lead to a 2-tier deck with a pergola overlooking the pool and private yard. Also note the rich hardwood floors throughout the main level. This gorgeous, custom-built gourmet kitchen was redone in 2016 with abundant maple cabinetry, granite counters, a large island, and high-end appliances, including a built-in stainless steel double oven, a stainless steel induction cooktop, a stainless steel dishwasher, fridge, and built-in microwave. All of the beautiful, intricate details of this kitchen do not go unnoticed by visitors and guests. Down the hall, we have the main level bathroom, 3 pieces, including a spa-like tub. Here's the elegant master suite. It has a walk-in closet and an ensuite bathroom with a large window to bring in the natural light and an enclosed shower. There is a second spacious bedroom on the main floor with ample closet space. An open staircase leads to the lower level family room with a gas fireplace, oversized windows, and a walkout to the large private patio. This level also has 3 additional bedrooms and an additional bathroom. Ideal for a growing family, in-law accommodation, or utilized as a home office, an exercise room, a playroom, or anything your family may need. The sunny 2-tier deck with a pergola overlook the pool and private yard. It's perfect for entertaining and relaxation. Walk out the sliding doors of the lower level to a shaded patio with a garden. Some additional features of this home include a garden shed, central air, and a park directly across the street. Country living feeling with city conveniences.